By 2030, the American workforce may look completely different than today, not because of economic collapse, not because of war, but something far more powerful. That powerful force is artificial intelligence, a technology rapidly transforming industries, reshaping jobs, and redefining how humans work, earn, and survive in modern society. AI is no longer a futuristic concept or science fiction imagination. It is already here, silently operating behind systems people interact with every single day. From mobile apps to corporate systems, AI is working in the background, improving efficiency while slowly replacing roles humans once considered secure and permanent. The most shocking part is not AI itself, but how fast it is evolving and how unaware the majority of people still remain. Across the United States, companies are aggressively adopting AI technologies to reduce costs, increase speed, and outperform competitors in an increasingly automated economy. From startups to global corporations, the strategy is becoming clear. Automate operations wherever possible, or risk falling behind in the race of innovation. This rapid transformation raises one critical question that millions are beginning to ask. Will AI replace jobs in America by the year 2030? To understand this future, we must first analyze what is already happening around us, not in theory, but in real-world industries. In recent years, AI has made extraordinary progress, performing tasks once considered exclusive to human intelligence with speed, accuracy, and efficiency.
Machines can now write articles, generate content, answer questions, analyze complex data, create visuals, and even develop software faster than most humans today. Tasks that once required human intelligence are now being handled by advanced algorithms, reducing the need for human effort in many industries worldwide. Customer service is one of the biggest examples, where AI chatbots are replacing human agents with instant responses available 24 hours every day. These AI systems do not need breaks, salaries, or rest, making them far more efficient and cost-effective compared to traditional human employees and support roles. Retail industries are also changing rapidly, with self-checkout systems reducing the need for cashiers and minimizing human involvement in everyday transactions. Warehouses are becoming automated environments where robots pick, pack, and ship products with incredible speed and precision beyond human capabilities. Even high-skilled industries like finance and law are adopting AI tools to analyze documents, detect fraud, and make predictions within seconds. Work that once took hours or even days can now be completed in seconds, completely transforming productivity levels across multiple sectors. According to studies, nearly 30 to 40% of jobs in the United States could be affected by automation before the year 2030 arrives. This does not mean every job will disappear, but it clearly indicates that most roles will undergo significant and unavoidable transformation. The jobs most at risk are those involving repetitive tasks, where actions are predictable and easy for machines to learn and execute efficiently. Data entry, customer service, basic accounting, and administrative roles are among the most vulnerable positions in this rapidly evolving AI-driven world. These roles rely on structured processes and predictable patterns, making them easier for AI systems to replicate and improve over time. However, AI is no longer limited to simple, repetitive tasks. It is evolving into systems capable of handling complex and creative responsibilities. Modern AI systems can learn from data, adapt to new situations, and continuously improve their performance without human intervention. They can recognize patterns, understand language, and make decisions, capabilities once considered exclusive to human intelligence and experience. This means that even jobs previously considered safe are now facing potential disruption as AI continues to advance at an unprecedented pace. So why are companies investing so heavily in artificial intelligence despite the risks and challenges associated with such rapid technological change? The answer is simple. Businesses want efficiency, speed, and reduced costs, all of which AI delivers far better than traditional systems. Artificial intelligence does not require rest, does not demand salaries, and does not make emotional decisions that could affect business outcomes negatively.
For businesses, this creates a massive advantage, allowing them to replace large teams with AI systems that work faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. Imagine replacing a team of 100 employees with a single AI system capable of performing the same work without errors or delays. For many companies, this is not just an option anymore. It is becoming a necessary step to survive in competitive markets. This is the uncomfortable truth behind the AI revolution. It is not only about innovation, it is also about replacing human roles. However, this does not mean the future is completely negative, as every technological revolution has also created new opportunities for those who adapt. When machines replaced manual labor, new industries were created. And when the internet arrived, millions of new jobs were born worldwide. Artificial intelligence is expected to follow a similar path, destroying outdated roles while simultaneously creating entirely new categories of employment. New roles like AI specialists, machine learning engineers, data analysts, and prompt engineers are already emerging in today's evolving job market. These jobs require new skills, new ways of thinking, and a willingness to continuously learn and adapt to rapidly changing technologies. The real challenge is not job loss itself, but the speed at which skills are becoming outdated in this fast-moving digital world. This creates a growing gap between those who adapt to change and those who resist it, shaping future success and failure. In the coming years, this gap may determine who thrives in the new economy and who struggles to survive in it. Education systems are still trying to catch up, while industries continue to evolve at a pace faster than traditional learning methods. Many people remain unaware of how quickly these changes are happening, leaving them unprepared for the future that is already arriving. Without proper knowledge and skills, millions could find themselves struggling to adapt in an economy increasingly driven by artificial intelligence systems. This means relying on traditional career paths may no longer guarantee stability or long-term success in the rapidly changing job landscape. Learning new skills, especially those related to technology and artificial intelligence, is becoming essential for survival in the modern workforce. Staying informed, flexible, and open to change will be the key factors that determine success in this new era of automation. The truth is simple. Artificial intelligence is not coming in the future. It has already arrived and is actively reshaping the world around us. And unlike previous technologies, AI is advancing at a speed that makes adaptation not just important, but absolutely necessary for survival. By 2030, the workplace will not just evolve slightly, it will be completely transformed in ways most people cannot yet imagine. Some jobs will disappear completely, others will evolve significantly, and entirely new opportunities will emerge in industries driven by innovation. The real question is not whether AI will replace jobs, but which jobs will survive and who will be ready for them. Artificial intelligence is just a tool, but like any powerful tool, it can either replace you or empower you, depending on how you use it. The future will belong to those who understand artificial intelligence, because in this new world, adapting is not optional, it is survival.